Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Claude AI to your Shopify store. The steps are easy. Now, what you need to do is, first of all, from your chat prompt section, head over to the left side of your screen so you can see this briefcase customize icon. We need to jump over to that. And once we are in here, click on connectors on top, right next to skills, and then we need to click on connected. You can see we have a lot of connectors available. Once you are inside browse connectors, search in here for Shopify, and you can see it is an interactive integration for Claude. You can easily build, manage, and analyze your Shopify stores. Simply connect it, and boom, that is going to be it. And I hope this is going to be helping build you a robust and enticing store. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.